Hello friends, welcome to my channel Growing Up With You, wherein today we'll be doing a project on spring season, wherein we will tell a child as to what happens in the spring season. We are going to tell about the different flowers which blooms in the spring season and much more. So without any further delay, let's get started with this project. So here it is, our project on spring season is ready. Now let's see how a child says it. So a child starts with, spring season is also called as the queen of all the seasons, and he's going to put the crown on top of the spring season. Then comes our page number 1 and page number 2, wherein the child tells that spring season starts from mid-February to mid-April. I have pasted over here the 3 months. If he finds mid-February to mid-April a little difficult, then he can just say that the spring season is in February, March and April. Then after that, it comes after the winter season. In spring season, days become long and warm. And since it is warm, we don't need the warm clothes. So we are going to remove the sweater and put it in the closet. Or you can write over here, we wear lighter clothes in spring season. Now coming to page number 3 and 4, wherein we are going to tell about the flowers in spring season. So I have taken these 5 flowers, wherein a child will say that many flowers bloom in spring season like peonies. He removes the flower from there and puts it in this basket. Okay. Then comes the jarpera, daffodils, the calla lily and the tulip. Now regarding this bicycle, I have drawn this, but there are many images available on the net, so you can paste that. If you all don't want to put a bicycle, you can just make a flower pot also and put the flowers into it, or a simple basket will also do. Now going to page number 5 and 6. Now here the child starts with, the sky is bright and clear. So he removes the sun and he's going to paste it over here. Then new leaves are seen. He's going to remove the leaves and then he will paste it on the tree. Then grass is green. So he can point out towards the grass that it is green in spring season. Next sentence is, flowers bloom. He can remove the flower and then put it over here. Then when the flowers bloom, what happens? Honeybees and butterflies can be seen around the flowers. So here's the honeybee and here's the butterfly. Also, the birds build nest, lay eggs, and from the eggs comes out the chicks like this. And then let's put the nest on the tree. Birds like cuckoo sings lovely songs. So we are going to put the cuckoo over here. Then we can see squirrels playing around the tree. Then here comes the squirrel. So if the child is small, you can make only this page, wherein he can remove the things and then paste it to create a spring scene. Now coming to the last page, here we are going to see what the kids love to do in spring season. Now in spring season, it is neither hot nor cold. So kids love to play outside, enjoy the picnic. It is a good time to plant a sapling, as it is a good season to grow plants. And kids also enjoy flying kites. Thank you. So this was the project about the spring season. Do let me know as to how you found this video in the comment box below. If you like the project, give me a thumbs up. Do share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such educational activities. Till then, this is Amrapali signing off. Enjoy the spring and happy growing up with your loved ones.